Today, a chef and a home cook are cooking the exact same dish, Crispy Chilli Beef.
Is that right? I've eaten crispy chili beef before, but I've never cooked it.
They've got identical ingredients, but there's one twist. The kitchen has been split completely in half, so they can't see what the other is doing.
Don't worry, James, all good.
I'm not worried. Sounds fully under control.
And while one side is figuring it out from scratch,
What the hell does that mean?
the other is using chef techniques and pro tricks.
Basically, anything that I haven't used yet, I'm probably going to use now.
This could be game over.
They built a Tupperware wall to try and separate us, to keep us apart.
No one can ever keep us apart.
How are we feeling about this?
I'm probably as nervous as you are.
We've been given a card that reveals the dish name of what we're cooking. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Crispy chili beef with stir-fried veg, tangy sauce, and steamed rice.
Is that all right? I've eaten crispy chili beef before, but I've never cooked it.
I've also been given vague recipe steps to help me, whereas James, you don't
I
have
seem
those,
to
do
be
you?
missing those.
Okay, great.
Maybe they just got printed once.
Oh, they're more flavour direction. Build an
useful.
umami rich. Oh man.
We've been given 45 minutes.
Okay.
I'll keep hold of that.
Yeah. Wise.
You ready?
I can do it, James.
You can do it.
Just
I
keep on
believe
throwing
in
me
you.
over behavioural reminders of some of the stuff we've been working
Mate,
on.
I'm right next to you.
Yeah, great.
We'll work on it together.
Okay.
I'll have time.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go.
First thing I'm going to do is get pans out.
Let's see what my first step is. Build an umami-rich, savoury sweet. That's basically everything but bitter.
I'm going to own up already. I'm not very confident with steamed rice. I always just boil my rice, which people hate me for. So do I, A, try and steam rice, or B, boil rice like I should? What would I tell Mike to do? I'd tell him to do what he knows.
If you're making a marinade, what would you do? Dark soy sauce. I'm going to go with a bit of sesame oil, vinegar, but then that vinegar is also... Oh, it's got almost a smoky undertone. That's amazing. Umami-rich, savoury, sweet marinade. I'm going to put some ginger in that, and then I think that's a decent marinade. I'm kind of getting everything. It says umami. We have MSG, monosodium glutamate. I'm adding that in as extra umami.
Right, we've got soy sauce, MSG, a little bit of white pepper, ginger and garlic going into the marinade. And then the two things that came to mind when I saw this recipe were marinade, done, and dredge. So this is like a dry dredge. So this is going to go on first.
How good is this beef?
It's a nice little cut of beef, isn't it?
It's a nice big cut of beef. Beef strips cut into the marinade, coated for as long as possible.
We're getting flavour into the beef and we're getting flavour into what is coating the beef.
Look at that. I think it's umami rich, I think it's savoury sweet. Leave it, come back to it later.
Right, this is such a simple recipe, like there's really not that much going on. So I think what it's going to come down to, apart from flavour, is texture. So I'm going to try and use some of these ingredients as texture that is going to play with the beef. All the veg I'm going to keep quite chunky so it kind of cooks really quickly in the stir fry, but you also get a bit of bite with it.
Okay, so now we're on to sauce. And I've been told the sauce should be umami forward, spicy, with a sweet tomato hint, nutty toasted aroma and sharp acidic lift, boosted by aromatics, heat and tang with a slight gloss. Okay, so what the hell does that mean? How am I getting nutty toasted? Oh, of course, toasted sesame oil, you idiot.
I think the sauce is actually probably the hardest bit.
Oh, good. I'm on the sauce now.
You can tell what to do with most of it, right?
I've just been given flavour profiles to build into a sauce, so actually there's still a lot of skill required to balance these and make them taste good.
Yeah.
So this is helpful enough to the point of putting it all on me.
So what you want to do is, you don't want, again, like second guessing yourself thinking, is this truly authentic, because you don't know what the authentic recipe is.
Yeah.
Is it truly delicious? You can work on that.
Yes.
You can control that.
Well, within reason, yes. So the ketchup sauce. Ketchup's going to give me sweetness, but I am going to just put a little bit of sugar in there. I can keep on adding a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and I'm just going to build that out and out and out and out.
I've separated my prep into 2 bowls. I've got the onion and the pepper, which is going to go in first. And then I've got my spring onion, garlic, and ginger, which is going to go in a couple of minutes later, just to give the hardier veg a head start. The sauce should be fairly straightforward. Basically, anything that I haven't used yet, I'm probably going to use now. So I've got soy sauce, which I've used already, but I'm going to add more. Vinegar, sugar, ketchup needs to go in, and then I'm also going to put in a bit of chili with the sauce. And I think that's probably going to be delicious.
It needs fragrance. So let's get garlic and ginger in. Also, I'm not working fast enough. Oh, why am I doing this? This is silly. I'm not going to get that. Should have used this. Don't continue if you're doing it wrong. It's okay to start again. And we are going to cook this out, so I can afford to use more garlic. Does it say anything about spicy? Spicy, it does say spicy, so that's more chili into the sauce. I've basically made the same thing as my marinade, just with ketchup. Not that I'm being cocky, but I actually feel like I would have done most of the things on the vague instructions I've been given. I think I will learn more out of this process if I discard them completely.
Have you looked at all of them, or have you literally just been like going through one by one?
I've just been going through them, so I think I'll learn more and I'll feel prouder if I can do this without that help.
I'm into it. I'm into that. It sounds like you're very calm.
Yeah, I'm worried about time, to be honest. Yeah, a little bit.
Mike?
Yeah?
We've got 20 minutes left.
Okay, yeah. Season. Do you have any salt over that side, please, Chef?
I think so, Chef. I won't be using it, so that you can have it all.
Oh, you won't be using it. Okay. Salt in.
Right, you'll notice, stir fry, I've done all my prep before I've even looked at cooking. I've got everything hot, but I haven't cooked a single thing yet. So, time to cook. First thing I'm gonna do is my beef, because we're gonna cook that, it's gonna rest for a little bit, and then it's gonna go in my stir fry once I've got that going. So this is the dredge part that I was talking about. We've got a wet mixture going into a dry mixture. This needs to be really evenly coated, good and generous. This should crisp up really nicely in that hot oil. We are deep frying. We're not putting this anywhere near the stir fry until it is crispy.
Rice is simmering. Cover it. Sauce is done. 10-minute timer. How long do we have left, please, Chef?
Got 15 minutes,
Oh
Chef.
no, that's bad. That is bad news. Come on. Right, we could do this in 15. You just got to really, really crack on.
I know that Mike's going to be using probably the absorption method, which is a really good method to cook rice, and people are going to hate me for this, but I'm going to boil my rice because I can just look after it, I can taste it when I need to taste it, and I know it's going to work. That's hot.
Okay, I'm going to shallow fry this beef. Meanwhile, let's dust some beef in some corn flour. Okay, how much is a good question. Just keep going until it's coated. Oil is coming up to shallow fry temperature, which I'm going to guess is 180 degrees. I'm now going to chop veg for my stir fry.
Beef's going into the oil. I'm going to watch this whilst I'm doing other stuff, but I'm just going to watch it. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but until it's nice and brown and crispy. You'll notice I didn't overcrowd the pan. Just enough so that it cooks nicely. Shouldn't take too long, a couple of minutes.
James is cooking something already and I'm concerned because I'm not cooking anything. And I'm also concerned because I've got an egg, and that's surely got to be an egg fried rice then. So do I throw the rice in with the stir fry and do it all together? Don't know, but that's what I think I'm going to do. I'll make a decision when we get to it. Come on, 180, we're a long way off. Oh, that really needs to get hotter, and it's on the hottest ring. The rice almost sounds like it's frying on the bottom. Yes, it is. Okay, we're still okay. Back on, track the steam. Screw it. We're going to fry some beef because we have to. That is not the sizzle we were looking for, but hey, it's heating, it's heating.
8 minutes, chef, 8 minutes.
Oh dear.
The stir fry is pretty much done. The beef, I feel like could be better. So I might fry it again and then put it through. Because one of my things with Mike is don't put stuff that you're unhappy with on the plate.
Come on, crispy beef. Be crispy, please. Come on, crisp up. I'm really limited on the fact that I didn't preheat pans early enough on to get things hot enough. If it's stir fry, obviously you want a wok. You kind of want a naked flame or like a wok burner or like an induction that gets searingly hot. I think I'm just going to have to get this as hot as physically possible and then lob everything in. Don't know how. That just isn't getting that crispy. Maybe there wasn't enough corn flour on it. Let's go for a double pane. I don't know whether this is a wise thing to do. That could have been a real error with 3 minutes to go.
That's looking better. It feels like it's a bit last minute, but I think stir frying is all about last minute. You don't want this hanging around for a long time. So the beef is going to go in, boom. And it's really just tossing it into the stir fry. We'll give it a little bit of coriander as well. And then you really just want enough sauce to coat it. So I'm going to add the sauce. If it needs adjusting, I can still add ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce if I need to. But I think this should be good.
Smoking hot on the old stir fry pan. So let's go in with some onions, some peppers, spring onions or scallions. Okay, how's this beef doing? It's not crispy at all. I think I've ruined it. Let's chuck it in through my stir fry.
It's well balanced, it's spicy, and importantly, it's crispy. But it's that crispy chewiness because the sauce is kind of like soaked into the batter a little bit. I'm happy. Michael, you've got 1 minute.
1 minute? Damn, it's all coming together now. Okay, 1 minute. Let's get the sauce in. Come on, get hot, get hot, get hot. I'm gonna hold that to the very last minute.
Mate, it's 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done.
I've done something. I've done something.
Oh my goodness me. Well, that was a thing.
Do you want to peek round to see my bench?
I am your mentor.
I don't want you to see this, but peek. Okay, go back. We know, I've got things to work on. Hello again.
Hello.
Oh, okay.
Welcome back.
Fascinated to see what yours looks like and how you react to what this looks like. And then we got taste on top of that.
Should we do yours first?
Yeah, fine. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Not that I'm saying it's like a,
No.
this is what it should have been situation.
But it's the exact order that the audience want to see this in. So yeah.
Okay, I'm excited.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, yeah. I don't want to give any spoilers that it looks quite different to mine.
Okay, that's
but yeah,
good.
all mixed
That's
in.
good.
So kind of like crispy beef fried rice-esque.
Yeah.
Okay, the main event is the beef.
There's a lot of it.
So, flavour, it's there, right? I can taste vinegar, I can taste soy sauce. Maybe it could do with a little bit more ketchupy sweetness, but overall really good. Cooking of the veg seems really simple, but actually like you can tell that it's done well.
Okay,
It's still got some crunch, even though it's like thinly cut. And don't think there's a problem with putting it all together. I don't think traditionally you would. And you get all of that flavour through the rice, and you haven't put too much rice on there. So it's a tasty dish, and it's not absorbing everything and kind of like nullifying it all.
I think it's nice. I think it's tasty. I think the flavour is all there, but not enough of it. I don't think I made or used enough sauce. I know I could make that so much better.
It's definitely a tasty plate of food. Shall I do it? Are you ready?
Do it. Oh, man. That is so crispy. That looks like it's been like saturated in Photoshop. We've used the same colours, but yours are so much deeper. Oh, wow. Very crispy. You can taste the chili. It's just been turned up to 11.
I actually, until we ate this, I forgot that I didn't really taste much chili in yours.
No.
I didn't think about it.
That is stunning, mate. The beef is just so much crispier. So much crispier.
I think that's just a little bit of knowledge of dredging, and maybe if you take this on board, like you'll now have that knowledge. But it's just egg in the marinade. It doesn't even have to be in the marinade. It could be just added after marinating, but getting that moisture that's going to set the corn flour and cling to it.
How is that not the thing that occurred to me?
I imagine you were tasting.
Yeah, I was tasting as I was going along.
But like that balance of chili, sweet, soy, vinegar,
Yeah.
I think is, you're just getting a bit more heat through this one.
What I'll say is the sauce that I made was really good and I felt really balanced. The trouble is I didn't then have time to taste it once it all went in and went, I need to build on that. I then needed to have created double and then chucked in and then had some left, which is a learning curve. Again, a little bit more of just thinking about what you may need, whether that be preheating pans or making double the amount of sauce in case it doesn't have the hit.
Yeah.
But other than that, like, I'm pretty happy with that. Like, if I cooked that at home, I'd eat it and it'd be very nice.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought when I was tasting it. Like, if you had that at home, it would be perfectly delicious for dinner.
Well, there are the difference between a home cook making crispy chili beef and a trained chef. And if you found any part of this video valuable, entertaining, funny, then please give us a like. We want to earn it because we want to hit 15,000 likes per video and we're going streaking. So they need to happen back to back.
I didn't sign up to streak?
No.
Okay,
No.
cool.
No. Surprise!